Smartphone example, but I'd like to, instead of talking about typical smartphone functions, I'd like to show you an application that's something that's now possible with Moorestown. And this is actually a multi-point video conference, three-way video conference made possible by software from video. These are a couple friends of mine who really wanted to be in the keynote and they couldn't quite make it, so hey, yeah guys, wave. Yeah, you're at CES, hey, Paul, wave to them, they want to make them feel like they're home.
Hey guys.
So this is a great example of some of the applications that are now possible on smartphones. All right, I think you've had your FaceTime for the day, guys. Yeah, wave goodbye, thank you. Multi-point video conferencing on a smartphone. Now, as I mentioned, that was a reference design. So I'm sure, naturally the question is always on people's mind, well, how about products? So what I have here is a smartphone from LG. It's new. It'll be coming out the second half of this year. It's got the multi-touch touchscreen, accelerometer, it's got cameras front and back, it's got a very nice 3D user interface, as you can see. This is something that Wind River and LG worked on. It's running on Moblin, so that's very nice. And of course, Moorestown is Intel architecture, so all of my favorite websites work great, even the really flash-heavy ones. And now, if you'll excuse me, Paul, I was actually in the middle of something when your keynote interrupted. I was planning a movie date with my dad, so I'm going to carry on with that. You can just, think about what you're going to say next after I leave, or whatever it is you do when demos are happening. So we really don't want to know all the details, though. All right, so anyway, we're going to go to a movie together, so I'm going to take a look at the movie trailer that we were thinking about seeing. See if this seems like something I'm actually interested in. And this is a great example of how wonderful this is. This nice big screen, about 5-inch screen here. It's wonderful for movie watching, and it's high def, 720p video. So it's a really great experience, as you can see. Yeah, I think I could be convinced to see that movie. So let's hang on a second here. And, oops, it jumped ahead of me, but anyway, I was going to tell you, as you can see, you can have a movie playing at the same time as the calendar book is open. So it's a really great example of how you can not only do many things on this phone, but you can actually do them at the same time. So that's the LG coming out the second half of this year.
Now, Moorestown isn't just for smartphones, though. It's really powerful enough for a wide variety of devices. Is there something else that you might want to show us with it?
Funny you should mention that, Paul. I just happen to have something right here. This is from OpenPeak. It'll be coming out under a number of branded OEMs later this year. And as you can see, it's essentially a one-stop shop for all your different home services, internet, communications, entertainment, even energy care management and healthcare. So it's a great example here. If I take it just like this, and I undock it, touchscreen tablet, people, very cool. Movies, music, internet. If you're so inclined, it could even be your color ebook reader. Whatever you feel like doing. You've got it, mobility in your hand. Very nice, very clean. That's just another example of possibilities of Moorestown.
That's fabulous. Thank you, gentlemen.